Hello, this is a layman's reaction to Buffalo Springfield. The song is For What It's Worth, or you may be familiar with the title Stop Children, What's That Sound?
There's something happening here, but what it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn, and nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
A smile on the drummer. Yeah. This is 1967. Seems current today. It's interesting the way songs do that. It's just got a great beat to it. I like the harmony parts.
What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and a carrying signs, mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Paranoia strikes deep into your life, it will creep. It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and take you away. We better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop now. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going. We better stop. What's that sound?
And we got the fade out. Paranoia strikes deep of people carrying signs, hooray for our side. A lot of good lyrics in this song, and they just seem so current, especially this year. This is a great song. I really like the melody on this. The vocals, he sang this really nice, and then the background voices that came in, and the harmonies when they sang together, that was really nice. Man, great song. I like this. I just kind of would like it not to be so relevant. Hope you all liked it. Feel free to comment, subscribe, hit that like button.